Welcome back to Binmosh Graphics. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 4 major apps every smartphone graphic designer must have in order to create a professional looking flyers for his clients. You know, every client needs professional looking flyers in order to stand out from their competitors. So with that, they need a very professional designer to handle their designs. So in this particular video, I'm going to be revealing the 4 amazing apps for every smartphone graphic designer to create a professional designs for his clients. So let's dive straight to the tutorial. First on my list is Pinterest. Pinterest is a game changer to every graphic designer out there who is looking for 3D pictures and materials for his designs. Apart from that, Pinterest is also serve as portfolio for your graphic design skills, which you can share your past projects or client review on your Pinterest account and share it to your clients. This makes your designs project and portfolio more professional to your clients. You can check that out and thank me later. Second on my list is Pixellab. I know majority of the smartphone designers started from Pixellab app, but there is one thing majority of designers do talk about Pixellab, which is the app is not professional. But for me, I started my graphic design journey back at 2021, which is 4 years now. I've been using Pixellab from then till now, and I'm still using Pixellab for my designs, and they are very amazing. I would like you to try that out and thank me later as well. Please, if you have watched till this far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to your fellow designers to also benefit 1 or 2 things from it. So let's move to the third. The third one on my list is Snapseed. Since 2021, this particular app has been a game changer to every of my designs. What this app do basically is to help you enhance your design for professional look. This makes your design look very sharp and glowing. So if you like to try this app out, you can go to your Play Store, search for Snapseed and download it and see the magic Snapseed is going to apply to your designs. Last and the fourth one on my list is PSCC. This particular app helps you add a lens flare to your designs to give it the shiny look. Apart from that, this app helps you add different effects to your designs to give it a professional look. Basically, I personally use this app for only lens flare. You can explore on different effects on the app to find out what works more better for your designs. And if you are wondering where to download the app, I personally have a Telegram community where I share all these apps for free. Link in my channel profile description. And remember, all the apps I'm sharing on my Telegram community are all pro apps, but mainly for smartphone users, not iOS users. So this comes to the end of the video. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your fellow designers as well. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.